Hello everyone! Today we will show you how to convert videos from iOS and Android devices with UniConverter 13. Step 1. Launch Wondershare UniConverter 13. Go to the Converter category and add files by clicking Add from Device from the menu. Step 2. Import videos. Check the videos to convert to a different format and click Add to Convert list. Step 3. Pick an output video format. Click the Output Format menu. Go to the Video tab, pick an output format, and select an appropriate resolution. Step 4. Convert the videos. Open High-Speed Conversion. Choose an output folder, and click Convert to convert the videos. Step 5. Access the converted files. Go to the Finish tab from the top, and here you will see the produced video file. Thank you for watching our tutorial videos. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Click the link in the description to try Wondershare UniConverter for free. See you in the next video!